welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a double cream wash and go. If you guys want to watch me do my hair using only creams, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Alright guys, so my hair is already washed and conditioned, and I did a review on the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil line. If you guys want to watch that, you can just click the little icon above to watch that video. Uploaded it last week, so now it's a new week, so now it's time for me to do my hair. I'm going to be styling it. Usually I use a cream and a gel, but I've never done a double cream, like no gels at all, but just using creams as my styler. So I don't know how this is going to work out, but we'll see. I went ahead and used this leave-in conditioner in my hair. This is the Cream of Nature Reconstructing Anti-Breakage leave-in. I put this leave-in in my hair and I did seal it with an oil. You guys know I like to use the African Pride oil, so I sealed it in with that. So now I'm ready to do my creams. I'm going to be using two creams today to style my hair. I'm going to be using this Maui Moisture. This is actually Hydrate and Heal Shea Butter Hair Mask. This is a hair mask. I'm going to be using it as a leave-in slash styler today. And I'm also going to be using my favorite Texture ID styling cream. So we'll see how this comes out. I'm going to hope for the best because I have a photo shoot today that I want my hair to be nice, big, and voluminous. And usually I don't get that until like day 3 or 4 usually, but I'm going to try to get it on day 1 today. So like I said, I'm going to use this hair mask. I've used this hair mask before and I absolutely love it. I'm going to take about that much, a big good scoop of the what is this, hair mask, and apply it to this section of hair as my styler. And I'm using two stylers. I'm using two creams because this one is, like I said, is more of like a leave-in. On the directions it says that you can use it as a leave-in, so that's what I'm going to do today. Use it as a leave-in. I'm actually doing like a double leave-in. The other one is a spray one. I wanted something a little bit more heavier so it can weigh my hair down. So I'm going to be doing that, and it makes my hair look really good. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. That leave-in conditioner was pretty good. It already got my hair kind of, you know, clumping together and looking good. So I want my hair to be super moisturized and look really, really good today for this this photo shoot. So that's why I'm going in with some extra moisture from Maui Moisture for today's hairstyle. Alright, so now that my hair has the leave-in conditioners, all of the conditioners in, I'm going to go in and style it using the Texture ID styling cream. As you guys have seen this before on my channel, I love this stuff. It just gives my hair a really nice, this is the consistency of it. It is a cream. It just gives my hair like a really nice balance of volume and definition. So that's what I'm going for today. And I probably shouldn't be using this much product because I need my hair to be dry and like fluffy today. So I'm gonna not probably use as much on the other side. Alright, so the product is all in my hair and I am pleased so far. I'll see if I'm pleased after it's dry. I'm gonna let it air dry for like an hour and then I'm gonna blow dry the rest of it because I have somewhere to be today at this afternoon. So I need my hair to be nice and, you know, put together. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry and I will come back and show you guys what my hair looks like as I'm trying to diffuse it and make it dry. But so far these products seem to work pretty well together. There's a white cast, but I'm okay with that. It'll dry away. It'll go away when it dries. So just stay tuned and I'll show you guys what my results look like. I will show you guys what my results look like once it's dry. I'm talking too fast, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's my hair after it's finally dried. It came out phenomenal. I love the way it came out. It's full, it's volume, it's moisturized, it looks great. I do highly recommend stacking these two products. This product is good by itself and my hair does feel extra moisturized with this. So yeah, I definitely do like this double cream wash and go, and this is the final results. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you like the way my hair came out, because I surely do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.